Hello everyone, welcome to Emotions and Stories. Welcome back to the Eerie series, the stories of Lakshadweep Islands. Today, we bring to you a new story called The Cursed Shipwreck of Bangaram. Bangaram Island, known for its stunning beauty, is also the site of an ancient shipwreck. Locals believe the ship which sank centuries ago was cursed by its captain after being betrayed by his crew. Fishermen claim to have seen shadowy figures near the wreck during the low tide and heard faint cries echoing across waters at night. Some say the restless spirits protect the ship from being salvaged. Let's go into little details. The setting. Bangaram is a serene and picturesque island, surrounded by turquoise white waters, vibrant coral reefs, and soft white sands. But locals say that the island hides a dark secret, a cursed shipwreck resting just off its coast, buried in the embrace of the sea. The arrival of the Valiant Stars. In the late 1700s, a grand merchant ship called the Valiant Star was on its way from the Arabia to India. Laden with treasures of gold, spices, silks, and mysterious artifacts, it was captained by Edward Blackthorne, a man as proud as he was ambitious. One evening, as the Valiant Star near Bangaram, a storm began to brew. The skies darkened unnaturally fast, and the strange winds pushed the ship dangerously close to the reef. The crew, though seasoned sailors, reported eerie occurrences, phantom voices echoing across the deck, lanterns flickering without wind, and an overwhelming sense of being watched. Ignoring his crew's pleas to steer away, Captain Blackthorne dismissed the storm as a test of his might and pressed forward. Some say it was greed, others arrogance, but the ship struck the reef, splitting apart like a fragile shell. As it sank, the treasures were swallowed by the sea, and nearly all crew perished. The curse. Legend has it that among the treasures aboard, the Valiant Stars was a cursed artifact, a silver idol of a wrathful deity stolen from an ancient temple. The idol was said to bring misfortune upon anyone who dared to take it from its rightful place. Locals believe that the curse did not end with the shipwreck. Survivors who managed to swim ashore spoke of horrifying visions, shadowy figures on the beach, whispers from the trees, and dreams of drowning. The few who lived long enough to leave Bangaram met tragic ends: disease, madness, or unexplained accidents. The wreck of the Valiant Star remained untouched at the bottom of the lagoon. Divers who had attempted to recover its treasure often returned with tales of strange encounters, unexplained currents, disorienting visions, and equipment malfunctions. A few divers have disappeared entirely, adding to the lore of the cursed ship. The modern mystery. Today, Bangaram Island is a popular destination for adventures and divers. However, locals still warn visitors not to venture too close to the shipwreck, calling it the Forbidden Grave. Some claim that on stormy nights the ghostly figure of Captain Blackthorne can be seen pacing the deck of his wreck, his lantern flickering underwater as if searching for redemption or revenge. Whether the legend is true or a simple tale to tell, keep people away from the dangerous waters. The cursed shipwreck of Bangaram remains an enduring story of pride, greed, and wrath of the sea. We hope you like this story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.